I can paint and then you can do the caulking.
No, because...
Okay guys, ito na ang last hooray ng bahay na ito. Probably, hopefully, the major one. So what we're going to do, my husband actually, linagyan na ng caulk. Yan, so in between the stairs. Tapos, I'll be the one to do the other side. Parang ganyan, oh. Tapos, lagyan ng caulk this one para ma-sealed siya. Parang ganun ba, oh. Doon sa mga in-betweens. Yan. Actually, yung carpenter namin na kaibigan namin, kinuha niya yung old stairs. Tapos, yan. He changed it to a new one. So, may bago na kaming stairs. Then, after this, he caulk, then paint. Then, it's pretty much it. Other than small other stuffs. 100 all other stuffs that need to be done. Ito mga maliliit na kailangan gawin. Ito yung nakaka-inis gawin. But, well, at least we're almost there. We are towards the end of the rainbow. Okay, at lalagyan lang natin ng painter's tape para hindi makalat yung caulk. And I'll show you how it is done. As you can see, meron na siyang tape dito. So, dito naman sa kilid-kilid. Kailangan, again, may tape para hindi kakalat yung ating caulk. Yan. So, sealed na siya. Here and here. Yan. You see this? So, i-caulk natin yan. Tapos, i-caulk natin dyan. And then, we will paint white this thingy, this entire thing. At ito na po yung caulk. So, dito siya lalabas. I-remove mo lang yung debris dito at i-frame mo siya. Tapos, kita niyo to. I-ano mo lang siya, parang i-press. Look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Oh! Yan. Yan. Para ma-seal yung gaps in between. Okay. Tapos, using your finger, you just have to flatten it out. Ito. So, nakita nyo yung reason why we had to put a painter's tape there. Kasi, kumakalat siya. Para hindi ma-messy yung stairs natin. Kailangan may boundary. Kaya, kailangan lagyan natin ng painter's tape. At as you can see, this side is already been sealed. But this one, it still needs a little bit here. So, i-shotgun na naman natin siya. Yan. Okay, so ito po yung hitsura niya pag hindi pa na-caulk. And then, yan ang hitsura niya pag na-caulk na. So, the gap in between is being sealed. It's already sealed. And then once it already cures, the caulking already is hard, then you remove the painter's paint. Tapos, this area, pintala ng puti.
Paint
Yan.
first. Paint first.
Oh yeah, correction please. Sabi ng asawa ko, before removing the tape, we have to paint first. Yeah, that makes sense. And look at... Can I show them how you paint, board? Itong asawa ko, napaka-perfectionist. Like,
It's hard to make it perfect because it's...
Well, this is 116-year-old house.
Like how rough this wood is, but
yeah,
it'll look good from when you're walking up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna do that one.
Yeah.
I might do a couple coats, I don't know, just to make it brighter.
Mm-hmm. And look
but
at
I
our
have to be
chandelier.
careful because if I get a
you
drop
might
of
drip.
this paint on this, oh boy, that's the end of it.
Yeah.
I have to be kind of
Actually,
careful.
the red stairs, that's not the original color, right?
No, it was just normal wood
Yeah,
color.
it was like just a natural color, tan wood. But he decided to, stain it red. So, it turned out
Then-
good actually.
I didn't have too many choices.
Yeah, wala kasing ibang choice na. I wanted it like really dark brown or black.
Well, they had black though, but
Oh, why didn't you get it?
I almost did, but then I thought it would look better with color. They used to be black, but they were very old looking black, so I don't know. I think we just decided it would look better if we...
I really wanted to the risers, I'll paint them white and then the stairs black. So, it could have been better, but then
Could have been
nakakuha
better.
na siya. So that. So, what's the next job after this? Just continue painting the remaining thingy?
Yeah. Sanding that more up there, making sure it's smooth. And
But more or less, it's only around, the remaining is around this area, right? And then,
this stuff, smoothing that out.
yeah, and then after that, we just do little more stuffs and then done. Oh, Lord God, hopefully we'll finish this before 2039.
Who's this? Mark's going on vacation on June 21st. And he thought if he could show it to that guy, the guy's not in a hurry.
Oh,
But he was saying, if I leave on vacation on June 21st, you think you'll have it by then? I says, I hope so.
yeah, my prospect buyers na kami, guys, God willing, but
Well, we'll see. I mean,
yeah, we will see.
we should. I mean, it should be showable by then, I would imagine.
Yeah, we just have to get rid of the debris and everything. Tingnan nyo, na ano ko na, like I've already staged the kitchen and now it's a mess again. Because my husband, who is very perfectionist, like
No, just we're down.
if he sees something like really little, patched up, things that needs patched up, yun, he will do it again. Ano ba yan sa Tagalog?
Yeah.
Tingnan mo. Napaka-perfectionist. Kasi, you're not a magna cum laude for nothing. Perfectionist siya. Tapos, sabi niya, nung estudyante pa daw siya, nagmumugto siya. Like, you will throw a tantrum, right? If you don't get the score perfect. Nag-alboruto siya pag hindi perfect yung score niya.
You show him the light all the way
Yeah,
up
of
there.
course.
Look how far up the light is there.
I know.
That's like, imagine we had to paint up there. How
Right.
up there.
Yeah,
was
pinakita ko sa isang video ko kung gaano kataas yung namin when we installed the, what do you call that one there? The mirrors, like, oh my gosh. From second floor down to the first floor pag nahulog ka. Wala ka talagang saysay. But anyway, thank you for watching.